Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Actually, in the previous video I had explained to you about the chapter number 2, decimals and fraction. In that video I had also explained about the exercise 2.1 first question till first question. There are total 7 questions in question number 1. I had explained you till question number 5, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Today I am going to explain you about this addition. You have to just solve the following. So I hope that in the 6th standard only you have heard about this fractions and addition of fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So this is here mixed fraction. How to first of all solve this mixed fraction into a proper or improper fraction? What you have to do, instead of 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2, what you have to, how to break this mixed fraction? 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. Means first of all this big number should be multiplied by denominator and then the numerator should be added. Similar here also, 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. So first of all you should know about how to break this mixed fraction into proper and improper fraction. So you can see here 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 by 2. So here 3 2 ja 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now you can see the numerators are same, not denominators. So LCM will be different. If you do the LCM 3 and 2, then what will be the answer of 3 and 2 LCM? It will be 2 into 3, 6. 2 3 is 6 will be the LCM. So you have to convert this LCM means this denominator also into 6 and this denominator into also 6. So what you will do? 7 by 3 and you will multiply both numerator and denominator with 2. Why? That you can get the answer 3 2 is 6. Similarly here also 7 by 2. You have to take 6 as a denominator. So what you will do? You will multiply by 3 both the sides, numerator and denominator. 7 2 is 14 upon 6. 7 3 is 21 upon 6. Now the LCM is same. So 14 plus 21 is equal to 415 213, 35 by 6. So this is your answer. And if you want to break this answer into mixed fraction, then 6 5s are 35 into 5 by 6. So here say 5 is, this is your quotient, this is your remainder and this is your divisor. So quotient, remainder and divisor. This converts into a mixed fraction. 35 by 6 will be equal to 5 into 5 by 6. So you can write this answer. First answer question number 6. Then I will write question number 7. And then we'll move towards the question number 2. I hope all of you are understanding. If you don't want to write, then you can take a screenshot whenever you feel comfortable. At that time you can write it. I hope all of you have written this question number 6. Now can I move towards the question number 7? So now I am moving towards the question number 7. See here, see first of all I have written a little bit wrong in this question, that here there was 2 by 3 and I have written, no problem, I will solve again this question. So just suppose if the question will be like this, 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 will be equal to, the answer will be this. And if instead of this 1, if it will be 2, then I will solve again. First of all solve this question with a peace and calm mind, so you will get the right answer. Got it? Here it was 2 and I have done everywhere 1. So just change the question only, 2 into 1 by 3. Now whatever is the question in your textbook, I will solve that question also. Got it? So just the answer will be 35 by 6. Okay? Now let's move towards if the question will be like this. If the question is 2 into 2 by 3, right? 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So how you will break this? 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3 and 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2, right? 2 3 is 6 plus 2 by 3, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 by 2. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Just we have seen the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 8 by 3, we have to do the multiplication by 2 because the LCM we want 6. And here 7 by 2, what we will do? We will do multiply by 3, both the sides. 8 2 are 16 by 6 plus 7 3 are 21 by 6. LCM 6. 16 plus 21. What will be the answer? 37 by 6. If you want to break down this fraction into mixed fraction, 6 6 are 36. So 6 into 1 by 6. This will be your right answer of question number 6. Got it? And previously, just change the question. Instead of 2 into 2 by 3, you can write 2 into 1 by 3. So you must know the pattern. Whatever the digits are there, you should know the pattern. If you know the pattern, then whole answer will be right. Yeah, but don't do that blunder whatever I have done in this video. Instead of 2 into 2 by 3, don't write 2 into 1 by 3. Got it? So both the answers you can write in your notebook. Now we are moving toward the 7th question. Either you can take a screenshot or you can write in your notebook. Now in this question, instead of plus, it is minus. 8 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 5 by 8. 8 into 1 by 2, right? So now we are moving towards the 7th question. So this was our 6th question. Now we are moving towards the 7th question. What is our 7th question? You know, it's 8 into 1 by 2, 8 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 5 by 8, 3 into 5 by 8. So 8 2 ja 16 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 8 ja 24 plus 5 by 8. So 8 2 ja 16 plus 1 by 2 minus 24 plus 5 by 8. 16 plus 1, 17 by 2, 25 plus 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Now LCM of 2 and 8, you have to take out. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So the LCM will be 8, you have to make here 8. So 17 by 2 multiply by 4 both the sides. And here already 8 is there, so you have to multiply by 1 both the sides. 17 4 ja, anybody know? 17 4 ja 68. You don't know? 17 table, can you tell me? What will be the value of 17 into 4? 17 4 ja 68. See, 7 4 ja 28, 2, 4 1 ja 4 plus 2, 6. So here 4 2 ja 8 minus 29 by 8. So the LCM is 8, 68 minus 29. 18 minus 9, 9. 5 minus 2, 3. 39 by 8. So 8 4 is 32 plus 7 by 8. So this is your answer number 7. Got it? I hope all of you have completed your question number 1. If you are having any doubt in this question, then you can drop your doubt into the comment box section so I can understand that you are having any doubt. Now we have to arrange in the descending order. Question number 2 is that we have to arrange the question in descending order. First of all, you can solve this question in your notebook. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot. Okay? So now we are moving towards the question number 2. So what is our question number 2? Question number 2 is arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Got it? This is our question, right? First question is 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. First of all, see here they all are different, but they are not like fractions, so you can easily do the descending or ascending order. What you have to do, first of all, take the LCM of each numbers and convert into the similar. 9, 3 and 21 LCM you have to take. So with the help of 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 7 जा 21, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3 7. So 7 1 जा 7. So 3 into 3 into 7, 3 3 जा 9, 9 7 जा 63. So everywhere we have to make to the denominator as a 63. So as for example, 2 by 9 is there. In 9 table 63 comes at the 7th time, 9 7 is 63. So up and down we have to multiply by 7. Second is 2 by 3. Now in the 3 table 63 comes at the 21. You will multiply 3 to 21 times. So the answer will be 63. And here 8 by 21 is there. So if you multiply this 21 by 3, so here automatically 63 will come. So 7 2 ja 14 by 63. 21 2 ja 42 by 63. 8 3 ja 24 by 63. Descending order means, you know, descending means big to small. First of all, you should know which one is big, right? So if you know about that, if the numerator will be greater, so that number will be larger. So 42 is greater than, so you can first of all, how you will write these answers, you know, you have to just see here. 42 is greater than 24. So for this number, if you want to arrange into the descending order means greater to smaller. So here you can see how you will write this number. 42 by 63 is greater than 24 by 63 is greater than 14 by 63, right? And which number was this? 42 by 63 is 2 by 3, right? So instead of 42 by 63, you can write 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21 is greater than 2 by 9. Got it? So descending order means big to small. Big to small. So you can see here. So 2 by 3 is greater than 8 by 21 is greater than 2 by 9. So this was our first question of descending order. And now the second question we are going to solve. In the second question, 1 by 5, 3 by 7 and 7 by 10. You can take a screenshot or you can write the answer. Now we are moving towards the question number 2. In the question number 2, also the same question is that you have to arrange in the descending order. Only the digits are changed. Digits are 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 1 by 5, 3 by 7 and 7 by 10. 7 by 10. So here you can first of all take 5, 7 and 10 LCM you have to find. 2, 5, 7, 2 5s are 10. So now 5, 5 1s are 5, 7, 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 5 into 7. 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70 is your LCM. Everywhere you have to make 70 first of all. So instead of 1 by 5, how you will make this 70? Can you tell me? 12 5s are 60, 14 5s are 70. So 14 up and down you have to multiply by 14. Second is 3 by 7. 7 10s are 70 and here 7 by 10 already given. So 10 7s are 70. Got it? So the number will be 14 1s are 14, 14 by 70, 30 by 70 and 49 by 70. Right? So already you can see it's in ascending order. So just do reverse. 49 by 70 is greater than 30 by 70 is greater than 14 by 70. So instead of this 49 by 70 you can write 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 5. So in this way you can arrange this question into the descending order. So after arranging these answers into the descending order, you have completed your question number 2 or exercise 2.1. So this was our fraction. I hope all of you have understand. If you are having any doubt related to this video, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends so they can also get knowledge. That's all for today. Thank you very much.